Stampers, Diane Dimich here with DDStamps.com, and today I'm here to introduce you to my tutorial for August. It is using the stamp set Label Me Grateful, which is just a great sentiment set. I love it. And then it comes as a bundle. You can get them separate, but it also comes as a bundle with a die set called Label Me Grateful dies. So I'm going to flip my camera over to my desktop so I can show you that stamp set and the die set. It's a lot of fun. What I liked about this was, number one, I love the sentiments. I love how they're written, and I love what they say. This is just a really cool stamp set. And then the die set has this big label that fits, of course, the sentiments in the set. But then you get all these various pieces, standalone pieces is what I call them, where you can build and make your card into just about anything. This would be a great set for fall because of the acorns and the leaves, but it's also great all year round. So that is the bundle. And then let me show you the cards that I made for this month's tutorial. So this month's tutorial comes with 4 cards. So for this particular tutorial, I've used the Floral Charmed paper, which I absolutely love, every single one of them. And there's so much you can do. And a lot of the colors that I used come right from the paper pack. So this paper pack coordinates with Berry Burst, Blackberry Bliss, Mossy Meadow, Night of Navy, Pretty Peacock, and Timid Tiger. So let me show you the cards that I made with this particular paper pack. And you can see on this particular one, I actually just used the dies and cut out some of the scraps of paper that I had. I added a little bit of the gold webbing ribbon that we have, and then also I used some embellishments that are in that. So that would come in your kit. So this one is card base is Peacock, Pretty Peacock card base. This one I love because it's very fall looking. And this uses, again, the Pretty Peacock. So same colors I used. And I used some copper foil for my acorns. And it looks like I just used the black Memento ink for all of these cards. Let's do this one next. I love this purple color. And I use Blackberry Bliss, which is one of my favorite purples. But you can see how these embellishments can all be used. And I just, again, cut out some of those flowers with the designer series paper, and I add a little bit of linen thread and again some embellishments. And then this is a little fun fold where it just coordinates and opens up, but it's again designer series paper, a little bit of linen thread, and some embellishments. I love this tutorial. You'll get some great products because you'll get some of that designer series paper, a little bit of linen thread. You'll get the embellishments that you'll need. You'll need the basic beige and mossy meadow, which comes in your kit. So you'll get enough cardstock to make all 4 of these cards, including the designer series paper and that little gold webbing ribbon. So it's very fun to have these tutorials. I do them. So if you place an order with me, you'll get the PDFs for those tutorials. If you place an order that's over $50, you'll get a card kit in the mail. It comes the following month, like the first or second week of the following month. Just because I wait till I get my orders in for August. And then I send you off a card kit that coordinates with the PDF. So a fun set, Label Me Grateful. I love it, and I hope you do too. Take care, and I will speak with you soon.